Completely unrelated to this video, but let me know in the comments if you guys like pizza rolls or bagel bites. I need to know. Hey, what's up guys? Keaton the Barber here, and what we're checking out is an iPhone shaver. You put it in like that, bam, you can shave your face. What does this world come to? Let's check it out. All right guys, so this thing right here is an iPhone shaver. It connects to the bottom of your iPhone and you start shaving your face. Actually, when you guys sent me this, Dreamcatcher on Twitter, thank you so much for finding this. This thing is gold. If you guys ever find anything, I'm just at TechSmart on Twitter. You can just send me stuff. I pretty much read and favorite a lot of stuff. So please find me more weird stuff like this. This thing goes for $5. I'll leave a link down below. And before we get started, drop a like on this video. If we hit 60,000 likes, I'll give away 2 shavers. Ooh. So go down there and do that. All right, let's check this thing out. It's super basic and simple. You get your little shaver action. That's it. It plugs into the bottom of your iPhone. Get the lightning port there. I have no idea if this works. It costs $5. If it works, you better buy it. Sometimes, you know, I'm just traveling on the go. As you guys know, I have a ton of facial hair. Just kidding. I just hit puberty. My body's weird. I'm 19 years old. I don't really know what's up. I gotta blame my genetics. Like if you need to get a little quick zap in the car, bam, you're good. So I got an iPhone right here. It's not set up. Don't judge me. It's Sprint and I don't have a Sprint SIM card. If you work for Sprint and want to send me one, that'd be awesome. Because like I can't work with it. It comes with a little brush too, so you can groom your face, get it nice and pretty. Let's plug this in and see if it works. Please don't be the $2 iPhone killer. If you guys remember the $2 iPhone killer, let me know in the comments that like iPhone fan thing. Will work, will work. Oh my God, it works! No way! You see this? It works. It's spinning. Oh my God. Hola. 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 Literally, guys, I am shocked this works. Like half the stuff I buy doesn't ever work. That's why you don't see more videos. Let's shave my leg and see if it does anything here. Oh my God. Oh my God. You see that? You see that? This thing. Holy crap. No, I don't shave my legs ever, so let's just get rid of all those comments now. Oh my God, you see that? Legit, that is bald. Like, I'll just do a little more so you see it. You ever come see me in real life, take a picture with my ankle, it'll be shaved, be like, yo, what's that dude? I love your ankle, bro. Oh my God, this like low-key actually works. All right, let's try to do this. I haven't shaved all November, literally just for this video. I'm sorry, Movember. I know, I love the message, but I gotta do this for you guys. Internalized oppression. Let me know in the comments if you know where that's from. Love you, Ethan. All right, let's do this. I feel it out. I've never done this before. I told you, I just hit puberty. Did it work? Let me know if it did. I can't even see myself right now. I feel weird. Did it work, guys? Oh my God. I look good. Wow, I look really good. All right, the last thing I want to check out here, and usually what happens is once you pull this thing out, it doesn't ever work again. So let's hope the pull-out game is strong here, and it works again. Oh my God. Oh my God! Hello! It works! You buy this for $5. Stop what you're doing, subscribe, buy this thing for $5. And if this video gets 120,000 likes, big goal for you, I will shave part of my eyebrow. It was originally gonna be one of my eyebrows. No, I will do part of my eyebrow. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys made it to the end and kind of want me to shave my eyebrow, drop mad likes on this video. And if you guys are new around here, make sure you get subscribed. You can just click this button like right up here. You'll get subscribed that way. Check out my last video over here, and let's hope I don't have to shave my eyebrow.